I can finally find beauty beneath once and for all. I spent way too long judging myself, running from truth into someone else's arms, but I'm done. The battle's begun, the battle's begun. There's fire in me, deep down in my veins, there's clouds in my head, they're not gonna rain. There's light in my heart, there's hope in my eyes, there's hope in my eyes. I push for the limits, I climb every wall, I keep on believing anything's possible. I run